This is time. I will introduce the central lock automatication. First, we unlock the car. The motor is work on. It work. That means the door is unlocked. And then we press the start stop button. The car is the engine is start. The car is move, and we can press the foot brake. Press the foot brake 10 seconds later. You see, the motor is work, and the door is locked. And then we press the start stop button. Now the engine is stop, and the car door is unlocked. And then we leave the car. The car is locked.